Okay, in just last shot we had started installing it, and now you can see it has been installed successfully. Now we can just go the way we did Jupyter notebook, run it. You can come here and run kernel. Or if it doesn't want us to do that, it's taking some time. Can as well close this one, because it's taking so much. Come here, do quick it. You can also choose to do it by pressing Shift and clicking Enter all the way to down. When you look at here, you are being told Matplotlib is building the font cache or cache. This may take some moment, so it means actually we are not expecting any error now because we have already installed the Matplotlib. All right. So next time, let's now build the graph using it. Until then.